Hey everybody, Gisele Grenier here. So this is a time-sensitive video, and it's basically if you think that you can't draw, feel that you can't draw, don't think you have any talent for drawing, or you've been doing some sketching and drawing but you're just not quite getting it, this video is for you. Tomorrow, which is going to be April the 9th, I'm opening up a drawing course called Beyond the Essentials of Drawing. Now, why is this so special that it needed a YouTube video for it? Because the actual first whole section of the course is completely free. And it's based on the theory of drawing on the right side of the brain. And you need the book, Drawing on the Right Side of the Brain by Dr. Betty Edwards. So with this whole it's a whole theory thing, and we'll go through all the lessons. There's another part of the course, which is an extension part, which is where you can buy an extension, or if you're a premium member of my community, you're already getting that, so you don't have to pay anything extra for it. And that includes live classes and subject-specific studies. The actual free part of the course is 12 modules. The premium part of the course is 24 modules. So the link is below in the description, and that's to a waiting list. I'm only emailing the link to the actual course sign up to people on the waiting list. Why? Well, because it's a progressive course. So as I release a module every week, the lessons are completed and everybody's doing the course at the same time. Not all the lessons have even been filmed yet. It's being done on a weekly basis. That way we're all progressing at the same time. So link is below. So if you don't think you can draw, feel that you don't have the talent to draw, feel that you can't even learn to draw properly without spending hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars on drawing courses that you're probably never going to watch, this is for you. So it's a great way to just go through the course without spending any money on a course. And if it's for you, and if you really like to, once you've done the drawing on the right side of the brain, if you want to push it even further, then you can consider taking the extension course for subject-specific drawings. Oh, and this whole course, once you complete everything with the drawing, you can apply it to painting as well. Alrighty, so link is below for the waiting list, and for more information, again, it is time sensitive, so make sure that you get on that list right away. And if you have any questions, please feel free to fire me off an email at artplace.ca. Top right corner, there's a contact button, so feel free to email me there. Alright, so hope to see you in the course, and until then, stay inspired.